Jeff Keenan here. I just got the latest update for the Rivian R1T 2023 14.0. I'm going to go over some of the features, including the new drive cam.
Now, the biggest thing about this update is the new dash cam. So you need a pretty decent flash drive to record this, or USB hard drive. So I have a USB-C enclosure with a 1 terabyte M.2 Samsung drive in here. I'll put a link to what I'm using.
All right, so here are some of the new features. You can activate the drive cam or the dash cam right here. Now, you can also go here and manually trigger the cam. It'll make a noise and start recording. And then you go right here and you can view all the cameras for those recorded videos. And it looks like they added the bed cam in there too. So they also added a nice feature here. They added a slider. So before you only had 3 settings for battery charge level. Now you can select down to 1%. I'm going to set mine to 70.
They added a sound on the outside of the vehicle if you try to lock it with one of the compartments open.
Okay, now you can finally name your vehicle. Right here, just hit edit and you can change the name. It'll also show up in the app. There you go. There's a new Rivian update. Some really cool features in there. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Wi-Fi tech products and Rivian.